In this video, let's see how to evaluate the integral of this given form. So the form would be quadratic in under root, and that would be in the numerator only, not 1 upon under root ax square plus bx plus c. So how to do this kind of a question? Just as you did in the case of 1 upon quadratic in the root, right? Here it was integration, here it was dx. What you did was completion of square or completing the square. Here also you will be doing completing the square. And then earlier what you used to do, you used to apply such kind of formulas, under root x square minus a square or x square plus a square or a square minus x square, whatever it would have fit. Here what you will apply, here you will apply the formulas under root x square plus a square dx and so on, right? So do not get confused, these both are different forms. One will use other kind of formulas, the other will use the other set of formulas. How to do it exactly, we'll be seeing in the next video in a numerical problem.